Hi, Tatiana here. I am Communications Director here at WDW Magazine, and today I am doing a little unboxing of some items from our friends over at CAKEWORTHY. Here is the box. Let's see what they sent. In case you missed it, CAKEWORTHY recently restocked some items from their awesome princess collection, and I think that they sent us some of those items. So I'm gonna go ahead and dive right in and see what's inside. I see something that I had my eye on. This is very exciting. Okay. One of the things that CAKEWORTHY is most well known for is their all over prints. We call them the AOPs. And it is these t-shirts that have an all over print. All right, here it is. These are unisex style t-shirts, so they're good for everybody. I think this is a size small, which is the size that I normally wear in CAKEWORTHY AOP tees, but look at the details and all of the characters on that t-shirt. Just fantastic. Next item, they sent another AOP, and it is the Princess AOP, and oh my gosh, so many princesses. Here you go. If your favorite princess isn't on here, then I don't know what to tell you, because they're mostly all on here. Love it so much, so colorful. Perfect to wear to the parks or anytime. Okay, this is another item that CAKEWORTHY is very, very well known for, and it is their denim jackets. This is a restock that everyone has been waiting for because it is, oh my gosh, I have so much stuff. It is their princess denim. And that is the back, and it says royalty on top, some of your favorite princesses there, and then little details that they have here in the front. You've got your little Aurora princess crown. Before I try that on, they sent another jean jacket, and this one is a newer style. This is their Beauty and the Beast denim. This is gorgeous. And then on the front, there are a few more details. The roses, so pretty. Okay, now let's try stuff on. All right, here is what the Princess AOP looks like on. And as you can see, I am completely covered in princesses. Let's try one of the jackets on top. So cute, so comfy too. I wasn't expecting them to be this comfy. I find jean jackets a lot of the time too stiff, but there's lots of bend in the elbows. I'm really comfy. This is also a small. Next, I tried on the other two items, the Princess and the Frog AOP and the Beauty and the Beast denim. Absolutely love them, so comfy. Okay, now that I've tried them on, I'm gonna go style them, so I'll be back.
Are you looking to escape to Walt Disney World? WDW Magazine delivers monthly magic mail from our fan favorite print magazine to keepsake special editions, as well as our digital magazine. We will deliver magic right to your hands. Subscribe today.
If you want to see more styles from the latest CAKEWORTHY collection, make sure to check out our blog. It's linked below. And as always, give this video a thumbs up and make sure to follow our channel. We'll see you later. Bye.